Anping Dongjie Wire Mesh Filter Products Company Limited is located in Anping County, Hebei Province, which is the hometown of wire mesh in the world. The company covers 1,875 square meters and owns 48 employees. It is a professional manufacturer of expanded metal mesh, perforated metal mesh, decorative wire mesh, stamping parts, and deep processing of other wire mesh products. The company has been specialized in wire mesh for decades and accumulated rich experiences in this field. At present, the factory has equipped with brand new and advanced machines to manufacture more precision products. Dongjie has adopted ISO 9001-2008 Quality System Certificate and a modern management system. As always stuck into quality-proof strength, details reach to success. The company has cooperated with many clients both from domestic and overseas, and in the old and new customers has been achieved acclaim. We insist on the principle of development of high quality, efficiency, sincerity, and down-to-earth working approach to provide you with excellent service of processing. We will keep working hard to develop new products and supply excellent service. Your trust and satisfaction is the most important impetus for us to make progress. Sincerely welcome to visit our company and contact us for cooperation.